Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are enjoying your holiday. So guys, today's video I will be moisturizing my hair, like midweek moisturizer. So if you are here for the first time, thank you so much for coming. And if you are also new here, thank you for coming. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you guys. So today's video I'll be using this Anjaki flaxseed recipe. Seal it up, hydrating sealing butter. So this is a butter, okay? It's a butter it's a butter based, like a water based butter. So yeah, because the first ingredients here is water, so it's a water based butter, which is so good to keep your hair moisturized. So I'll be using it alongside with this shea moisture coconut and herb biscuit, coil and shine milk. So I'll be using it alongside with that. So I'll be using this product for a while now, so I love it. It's good to seal in moisture. It's good to keep your hair moisturized for a very long time. So I'll be using it to re-moisturize my hair, retouch my hair, to put my hair back in moisture stage. So I need to do this with this product. So if you have used it before and you like it, just leave your comments at the comment section below. So before we go on, let me just say what they say this product is going to do for our health. So it said it's ultimate moisture therapy. Seal it up, deliver long lasting hydration. So they say also help to repair and strengthen damaged hair and ends. So they said it's flaxseed is rich in omega fatty acid, together with honey, avocado and shea butter, help to prevent shedding and thinning. Okay, they said while softening and shining and protecting hair from breaking. Okay, it is not just for ends, it's still use seal it up to lock in moisture all over hair. So guys, this is not just for the ends of your hair alone. You can also use it all over your hair, but especially concentrate on the ends of your hair because they are the oldest. That is why they are targeting on the ends of your hair. Okay, so they said it's also excellent moisture remedy for 3A and BD hair type, protective styling, care for hair under wig, wave and braid, and all hair texture in needs of oil-based moisture therapies. So guys, this is all the benefit that this product is supposed to give to our hair. Everything they said here is true because I've used this product now. It's almost finished, guys. Like, it's almost finished, so I can say that it's true because everything in here is true. The product is not that lightweight. It kind of water based. Yes, it's water based butter, but it's good to keep your hair moisturized. So they say you can use it alone, you can use it on dry or damp hair as needed, can be used daily. Apply small amount to hair, rub together and apply to hair, especially concentrating on the ends. They also say concentrate on the hair. Use brush to brush your hair and style your hair as desired. So I always use it along with something like a moisturizer or a leave-in conditioner cream or any other thing So that is how I use it. I never use it alone. So if I use it alone before, just leave your comments in the comment section below. If you are also looking for kind of inexpensive hair butter to keep your hair moisturized and all that good stuff, I will advise you give this Jackie Seal It Up hydrating butter a try. You might like it. Yeah, you might like it, because what works for A does not work for B, but if you try it, you might like it. It might work for you also. So guys, that is how this product is. So I'm just showing you guys how I use it on my hair to keep my hair hydrated, moisturized, shiny, and all that good stuff in my hair. So anytime that I'm not using grease to seal in moisture, I also use this. Maybe I'm looking for water-based hair sealer, I will use this to seal in that moisture. So if you are also like me, sometimes you don't like to use grease on your to seal in that moisture, you can also use this on your hair, which is also good. Okay, so you can also use this on your hair. So now I'm just going to continue to work my hair, put that moisture back to my hair, moisturize my hair and every other thing. So guys, how do you guys celebrate your Christmas? Hope you enjoy yourself. Hope you cook sweet coconut fried rice that is now all over YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoy yourself. Go out with your loved one, even though we are locked down. Yeah, celebrate your Christmas indoor and all that. So if you love this video, just give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber, and don't forget to turn on your post notification. Okay, in that way you will not miss out any of my new videos. So I also have a video on hair grease butter on my channel, which I'm using now, that I'm loving, guys. Now I don't know if I'm going to be buying this and Jackie anymore. Okay, so I still have an extra bottle at home, which I'm going to use. It's a good product anyway. So anytime you don't want to use your DIY, you can also use this. If you don't want to use this, you can use your DIY. So if you have not seen that video, hair grease butter on my channel, you are missing. Just go and check it out. Even though you don't like using hair grease on your hair, bet me you are going to like, as in you are going to love that product. You are going to love that hair grease butter, and you are going to use it. So guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Stay safe.